Hey everyone, welcome to the basics of Elliot Wave Principle, a technical wave analysis approach to the forex market. So you might be passing by the channel and you don't know what this is. So simply, if you have never or you have heard of the forex market is where people exchange currencies, and in order to exchange currencies, people have to sell price at a high price. When it drops, they make some profit, and they have to buy currencies at a low price. When it goes above their buy price, they make some profit from there. So it's simply the exchange of currencies. So in order for people to be able to know where they should buy, when they should buy, or how long they should hold their profits, or when to exit, they need what we call technical analysis, fundamental analysis, but mostly technical analysis is a very important tool to their arsenal. So in technical analysis, people have different strategies that they use. Um, According to what they understand better and according to what suits them. So for us, we're going to be looking onto the Elliott wave principle or the Elliott wave theory. So as I said, if you are new, simply that's what the forex market is about and what we are looking at, what it is. It's a strategy that people use in technical analysis. So for those who are familiar with Elliott wave, they have heard about it, or maybe they have seen they've seen the word somewhere. You have come across it on YouTube or on Google. Um, you know, it's the same ideology. It's going to be a strategy that will help you analyze your trades or the forex market better. So this course, or what is the series all about? The Elliott Wave Principle series is a series that will be focused on equipping forex traders in their technical arsenal with an Elliott Wave approach to the markets. It will lay down in simplicity yet detailed on how traders in the forex market can take high probability trades with the Elliott Wave theory. So standing on those who have been in the forex market, the Elliott wave principle or theory is going to be a good tool that I would recommend you having in your arsenal, and in coordination with whatever strategies you have learned that you use to take your trades. Because with it, it's going to give you a higher edge, it's gonna give you a higher confirmation and higher probabilities of the trades that you take in the forex market. So who is the series for? So the series is coming down to literally to a beginner. When I say by beginner, I mean you have never heard about the forex market, you have never heard anything about forex, and maybe you're just watching this video right now and you don't know literally anything about this. This is the best way to start. This is a good point to start, like entering the forex market entering the forex market with Elliott wave approach. It's a Elliott wave approach is very beginner friendly, very easy. Its learning curve is very short, and you really enjoy learning it. It's not that much complicated. Once you get the basics, you're able to do it. So, literally coming down to someone who completely knows nothing about forex market, you can take this course. Also coming out to people who have been in the forex market for a month, 2 months, 6 months. This is a good strategy that would really, as I mentioned earlier, would really help you take high probability trades, and something that is really easy to understand yet very effective in applying in the forex market prices. Professionals looking to strengthen their basics on the principle also can take this course. You might be a pro at Elliott Wave and you're making money from using it. Actually, there are people who are using Elliott Wave single-handedly and they're making dozens of money. So you might be that professional, but you're just looking to strengthen your basics. As I say that you have to sometimes go back to your roots. So if you're a professional and you'd want to take this course to strengthen your basics, you're good. We're going to be really focused on the beginners and really giving out gems, yet in a good and non-complicated way and in the very shortest accurate time possible. So the overview of our course or series is we're going to learn about the Elliott 5 wave pattern, the wave mode, the essential design, the wave degree, motive waves, corrective waves, practical implementation in the forex market. So after we are done with the 5 wave pattern, wave mode, essential design, wave degree, motive waves, and corrective waves, we're going to apply everything that we've learned on the actual forex market. So how better is that? We're not just going to teach you the theory, but we're going to put out some gems or videos where you get to see us apply what we have taught you, or the basics. So this is the beginner series. It's not really something that's going to go into the history of Elliot wave, the complicated stuff. It's going to look at, it's going to give you a service whereby you'd get started and yet be effective in the forex market. So we're going to give you a starting point with this strategy. So when we talk about the 5 wave pattern, and in the shortest time possible, this is what we're talking about in having an overview. We're going to learn about this so we understand where we are when we look at price, where we are, and knowing where we are, how would react to where we are, and where we assume there's a probability of where price is going. So this is very important. Wave degrees are more like time frames. When you're counting, we call it counting or labeling or analyzing your price on the currencies. You have to show your difference in time period. Someone is able to know that when you use such degrees, you are indicating that this price formation is happening maybe on the 4 hour time frame or on the 1 hour time frame. So how you label something on the 1 hour time frame, how you label it on the 2 hour time frame, on the 3 hour time frame, shouldn't be the same. There must be the degrees of difference. Essential design, coming back to the 5 wave pattern, is very important to understand the whole picture, so that regardless where you are, you don't get lost. You know exactly where you are. Then we're going to learn about motive waves, which are under, it's a type of wave mode. And under motive waves, we have impulse and diagonal triangles. We have an impulse. This is a general overview of how an impulse looks. Diagonal triangles. We're also going to learn about corrective waves, another type of wave mode. So under corrective waves, we have flats, zigzags, horizontal triangles, combinations. So under these flats, zigzags, horizontal triangles, combination, we also have different types under them. So we're going to break down these corrections, break down to a least piece, break them down and build them up, so you understand what comprises of them, how you are able to differentiate one from another, and the rules that govern them, and the guidelines that you need in order to tame, or in order to define any probable price formation you would see in the markets to be a flat, zigzag, horizontal, triangle, or combination. So under flat patterns, we're going to learn about running flat, expanded flat, and regular flat. As you can see, so many stuff to be done here, to be learned, and very much interesting. So all this will be laid down in the most very effective way of learning. We're going to go through everything together and better. Zigzag correction. Zigzag correction is a 5-3-5. It's a 1 2 3 4 5. As you can see, then we have a 3 A B C, then again we have a 5, a 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to explain all this stuff and the formation, what's behind this, why it's like this, how you're able to, as I said earlier, to differentiate these from a flat. We're going to learn about also the horizontal triangles. We have a running triangle, expanding triangle, we have a barrier triangle, I mean. So we're going to differentiate this. When we have combinations, combinations are more of where you combine. From the word combination, you combine, there are formations that tend to combine each other, like maybe a zigzag, as you can see, like a triangle is combined with a flat, then that's a combination. So all in all, I hope everyone is ready as we start this series or course, a short-term course. Remember, it's going to be simplified in the best way, where you're able to grasp it and understand everything. It's going to be simplified to a very, very possible way where we're able to understand everything. So can't wait to get started with you guys. See you in the next video.